Utuko wa muthenya wa kiumia niguo aya mugwanja maratungirwo ni mutino barabara-ini ya Mai Mahiu guthie Naivasha hakuhi na Mirera, na atana wao marathira hau guku ciana igiri igikwira thibitari ikiamukira urigiti.
When we got the news of the accident, we rushed to the Naivasha hospital where I received the sad news that 5 members of our family had lost their lives, and there were 2 casualties. There were 2 survivors in the casualty. They were transferred to Nakuru Level 5 Hospital, Referral Hospital, but unfortunately this morning we lost the 2 girls.
Hari aya makuite ni muthuri na ciana ciake 3, ario a nyina eri na mwana wa muruti wa wira wa uyu ukuite na ciana ciake.
Tulipoteza 3 brothers na watoto mmoja wao 3 na mtoto mmoja wa mfanyikazi wao, na wamelazwa Naivasha mochari.
Ni horo gagaitie family ya andu aya makiroka mochari Jumatatu kuruta mwiri wa umwe wao uria aya magite na mutino marathiete gucakaya mwena wa Longonot.
Maombolezi walienda wakiwa 8, mmoja wao hakurudi nao, so walirudi wakiwa watu 7. Yes. Na wote waliaga.
We were with them in the memorial service, and I personally said bye to them after the service was over. Then I left to my home, which is not very far from where we were.
Riu family ino irakaira thirikari na andu a wendi mwega kumetika mbuya murigo uyu umagwiriire niguo mahote kuhariria mathiko ma aya mugwanja.
Mimi ndiye ndugu mkubwa wa hao familia ambao walipata ajali jana. Tunaomba tu serikali ya nchi ya Kenya ishikilie hii familia, na ni familia changa sana, vile tutaweza kupumzisha wapendwa wetu.
Uhoro wa mutino uyu ni wikiritwo mukonde ni OCPD wa Naivasha Anthony Ketel akiuga uthuthuria wa mbere uronania ngari ino irakuite andu aya ni kugeria irageragia kuhituka ngari ingi guku akiuria matereba kugia na umenyereri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.